What's the meaning of cold duck? Cold duck. Cold duck.
Cold duck. Cold duck. Cold duck is a term used to describe a beverage that is typically made by mixing sparkling wine or champagne with red wine. This combination produces a bubbly, fruity and slightly sweet taste that is often associated with celebrations and special occasions. Cold duck was very popular in the United States in the 1960s and 1970s, but has since fallen out of favor. Despite its decline in popularity, some people still enjoy this unique drink and it can be found at some specialty liquor stores and restaurants.